National Science and Technology Exhibition Week, which is ongoing at the Kenyatta International Convention Center, has revealed the depth of creative talent that is inherent among the youth and in need of nurturing. Alex Mwangi toured some of the innovations on display and explains further.
Can you guess what this is? Well, it's an ugali pressure cooker, and you can say hi to a new method of cooking ugali that is more efficient. It has been designed by two students from Murera Secondary School who are Tracy Deborah and Joseph Muthoka, and they are now going to tell us how it works.
This is the temperature gauge. We used it to measure the temperature. This is the pressure. We used it to measure the pressure when you're cooking. This one is the motor. It rotates the stirrers that cook that stir the ugali. You can also use it manually like this. But when you have a power source like electricity, it rotates by itself. When it rotates, these stirrers rotate too also.
Kenya's main staple food today is ugali, and the ugali that most of the Kenyans consume, they use the refined flour, which means essential nutrients have been eroded from it. So we came up with our project Ugali Pressure Cooker, which will help people now to prepare the ugali using the unrefined flour. Our pressure cooker itself will prepare the ugali for you.
Counties have been urged to identify and nurture these talents in the youth in order to industrialize their economies.
Creating a culture and capacity for science at a county level not only improves the possibilities of prospects for the youth, but it also ensures that they're able to be closely linked to opportunities of self-employment and gainful employment, and at the same time contribute to county integrated development plans.
Alex Mwangi, NTV.